You want to know how to download and install Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So Buddy AI is installable on phones. So I'm going to show you how you can do it on Android. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Play Store right here. And now once you have opened up your Play Store, here you should be seeing the source bar on the bottom, just simply like that. And then just simply type in Buddy AI. So here you can see Buddy AI popping up. It's a kids learning game. You can just simply select install, and once that is done, it should start downloading. So you can also scroll down and see its reviews, what it is about, its latest update, description, and much more, which would give you more information on the app itself. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.